What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, and I'm going live to show you my thumbnail tutorial.
And also, thank you for all the fans that's been watching all our reaction videos and subscribing to our channel. We got 200 new subscribers.
Thank you for that, you guys, for 200 more subscribers to our page. Please keep sharing and showing us love, and thanks for all that goodness. Anyways, we're going to be doing a thumbnail tutorial with Kush, and I already did pretty much everything on Photoshop, so it's just going to be PicMonkey. And hey, we got Incisive Stunner 96. What's up? How are you? Where you from? Please leave your info, your Instagram, your Twitter, and all your cool info like that, so everybody else can go and follow and support. So I'm on PicMonkey, as you can see. And, huh?
This is mine, bro.
No,
No. This green light is mine.
no, it comes from that girl. I got it from that girl's makeup bag.
Where's my green light out there? Oh, you in the car.
Green. Funny boy. She is from Long Beach, Cali. Hey, Long Beach, Cali. That's what's up. That's what I'm talking about. Boo. Yes, Long Beach, Cali. I go out there all the time, and I actually have some videos of me in California, girl. Go check those out. I'm just doing a thumbnail right now, and I'm trying to show you guys how to use PicMonkey. I've been trying to figure time. Okay, I'm gonna put whoa, and I'm gonna actually highlight that in black. And I put it in black. I put it in black. So it will blend in the same as my title. And with it that thick. And yeah. Curve it. No. No. No, I don't want no scrubs. I gotta get none after me. No, just side, trying to holler at me. Oh. And I'm going to put, I'm just saying, just to give it some flavor. And I'm going to actually try to get this straight, because I don't like when it lines up like that. So I do it like this, and then once I get it like that, I kind of like stretch it out like this so it can stay straight. And then I put it where I want it to be, which will probably be where that's at. And actually, I'm just gonna cut this out. She put hi, she says IG exclusive. Yay. Go follow her, y'all. Her Snapchat and her Instagram, Stunner96. Okay. Let's support each other. Go support her too. Anyways, I'm just saying, needs to be highlighted as well in black. But it always shows a pink. I don't know why. I guess it must know I use pink colors. And I'm gonna go into graphics and I'm gonna see what kind of onesie emojis it has that I can apply just to, make it even lighter. Almost. Almost. Okay, so now we're gonna go down into the nails and we're going to see which ones we're going to put on here. I'm guessing I'm gonna shift it like this. Make it up. Just saying LLOG69 go live. And we need some Yeah, can you come check this thumbnail out real quick? Damn, my leg's sore. Hey, now you know why I don't.
the streets, but I hate in the parade. Yo, bullshit. Easy. Do not slam my car door, bitch. Watch out, dude.
Okay, what my thumbnail look like? Hey, I tried, y'all. I don't know.
Let me see, boo. It look good, girl. I'm just saying, though.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
You ain't gotta put that on my, bro. That's a little too much. Bro.
OMG? Okay.
Unless you go put that. Okay.
And take the LOL.
Nah, that's cool. It's cool. It's cool.
I don't like this just a little bit.
It's cool. Just put a little stars up in the okay. Put little stars in there.
Okay. Oh shit, I forgot I was on live. Okay, you guys, well that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'm out. Yeah.